Okay, for today's project, we're going to take all these blocks, all solid oak, and we're going to bind them all together here in a manner of something like this to make a towel and Costco rack for my wife for the bathroom. Hopefully when I get this all done, it'll look pretty good. We want it to stay rustic looking though. That's one of the goals. So I've just kind of cleaned them up a little bit. Not a lot of sanding done here. Okay, the last time we met, I was working on these blocks of oak where I laid them out like this. We'll go back to that video. Laid up about 10 of these, glued them all together, and then I proceeded to take a bunch of 2x4s. These are all oak also, and I took them all to the shop and cut them down. And also, after gluing all that up, and you can see how thick these blocks are. They're a good 3 inches thick. They're about 7 inches, a little more than 7 inches tall. So anyway, you can see about how big the profile was on that. All right, so here we have the finished product. I cut it down to about 1 inch thick, and it's banded with, that's these 2x4s dressed down now. That's all oak. Got a little rustic look to it, so anyway, we're getting ready to stain it up with some stain, and we'll see how it takes. It's all kind of different colors of oak in there, which really kind of makes it nice. All right, got 3 coats of tuggle finish, and fine with sanding with the 4-aught steel wool in between each coat. I'm getting ready to do another coat this morning. Thought I would just share that with you. It turned out pretty good. Just I think one more will really do it. It looks pretty good now, but I'll put one more in it and show you what it looks like. Yeah, this will be fast. I won't do this in real time. Won't be any audio. Okay, we're just about done here. This is just one of them. You can see I've finished, did 4 coats of the tung wool with 4-aught steel wool in between each one, and you can see how really nice the grain came out in all this different colored wood, all the different pieces of oak. And you can see all the different pieces that are put together here. And then we found these antique looking pieces, not antique, but look old, for the hangers. Here's the back side. So now we're going to install these hangman clips to hang it on the wall, so you won't see anything. And, already got it marked in the bathroom where it's going to go. So once I get them up and done, I'll come back and we'll show you how it all goes together.